now be buffering. Buffers are areas around a point, line, or area, and we use this to estimate proximity to objects and areas of influence, etc. The first step is to look at the projection that is used for the layer that we're going to use. We're going to be using playgrounds, and the playgrounds in this case use a projection 4326. That is latitude longitude, which means that if we do a buffer, it will do it in degrees, because those are the measuring units inside latitude and longitude. Everything's in degrees, so we need something in meters. So to do that, we save as. So right mouse click on the layer and say save as, and then we're going to press browse to put it onto wherever all your other files are. Put it in AirTree, and I'll call it playground 10TM to indicate that is a 10TM projection. And now I need to actually tell it there's a 10TM projection, so select projection 3403, and then I press OK. It goes and creates a new layer, and now I'm going to use that layer to actually create the buffers. I go back to vector, and in this case it's geoprocessing tools, fixed distance buffer. My input layer is the one that I just created. The distance units, everything's in meters, so I'm going to say I'm going to go to 400 meters, and my circles, I want them kind of round looking, so I'm going to say 48 segments. And the buffer, I'm going to call it temp, and that would put it into temporary layer, or I can save it afterwards. Press run, and we can see those are the areas that are within 400 meters of a playground. And so then we can look at the places that are not within 400 meters of a playground and try to determine what the heck is going on in those areas. And we can once again bring back the imagery, and we can see that there's a lot of areas under construction here and so on, that perhaps some of those areas will be filled in with playgrounds later on. But that's all there is to buffers, and there are many more buffer options there, and you can just feel free to try them out.